Winter and parathas are practically synonymous. There's something about this chilly season that makes warm, soft and flavorful parathas or flatbread the ultimate comfort food. Today I'm making Mooli Parathas, a delicious Indian flatbread stuffed with a spicy and flavorful radish filling that's packed with flavor. These parathas are perfect for breakfast, lunch or even cozy winter dinner. They are warm, hearty and totally satisfying. You'll want to make these again and again. So let's start making them. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of wheat flour and a pinch of salt. Mix them together. Now gradually add water and knead until you get a soft and pliable dough. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and spread it. Cover it with a damp tissue or cloth and let it rest for about 20-30 minutes. This resting time helps the dough soften, making your parathas more tender. While the dough is resting, let's prepare the filling. Peel 1 large or 2 small radishes. Grate it using a grater or a food processor. Now squeeze out all the excess water from the radish. This step is important so your parathas don't turn soggy. In a mixing bowl, combine the grated radish with 2 chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 3/4 tablespoons of chopped fresh coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, add salt to taste and half a teaspoon of crushed carom seeds and mix everything well. Keep it aside. Now it's time to assemble our parathas. Once the dough has rested, lightly knead it again and divide it into equal sized portions. Roll each portion into a smooth ball. Take 1 dough ball, dust it with some flour and roll it out into a small disc. Place 2-3 tablespoons of mooli filling in the center. Carefully bring the edges together and seal the filling inside. Dust it with some more flour and gently roll it out into a paratha. Make sure the filling stays intact. Heat a pan or skillet over medium heat. Place the rolled paratha on the hot pan and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the bubble starts appearing. Flip it over and apply ghee or oil on the cooked side. Flip again and apply ghee or oil on the other side. Press lightly with a spatula to ensure even cooking. Cook until both sides are golden brown and crispy. The aroma of freshly cooked parathas filling your kitchen on a cold winter day is simply unmatched. Repeat the process for all the mooli stuffed parathas and there you have it. A stack of perfectly crispy mooli parathas are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot with yogurt, raita, pickle or a dollop of butter for the ultimate winter treat. Let me know in the comments if you tried making these delicious and filling mooli parathas at home. Happy cooking! See you next time!